It's a 2018 Lexus NX. By combining intuitive technology with a design that is aggressive outside and comforting inside, this NX takes the crossover beyond utility. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, smart device navigation, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, leather steering wheel, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com highlights its class-best fuel economy, generous backseat room for the segment, impeccable cabin construction, and copious high-tech features. Live a lifestyle that leaves a lasting impression in this Lexus. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Enjoy luxury and a stress-free car shopping experience at Lexus of Wayzata. We're conveniently located at 16100 Wayzata Boulevard in Wayzata, Minnesota.